growing up with food, the interesting situation. The first time I saw bacon, first time, was at 4 o'clock in the morning on a troop train going to Fort Knox, Kentucky for my first day in the Army of the United States. And I was so darn hungry, they had a train at 2 o'clock in the afternoon in 30th Street Station, Philadelphia. And at 4 in the morning, he still hadn't gotten anything to eat. We went there, and there was what looked like scrambled eggs. I wasn't sure they were. And these strips of things that I ate bacon, and I loved it because I hadn't seen it before. I got to see shrimp, actually, while I was in the Army. I had never seen a shrimp before, and I found they tasted pretty well. So that was my experience with getting it. Oh, pork was another thing. I refused to eat anything that was pork, although I found out later bacon was, but I didn't know that at the time. But my wife, who did not grow up in a kosher home, liked Chinese food, so she took us, she and I went for dinner at a Chinese restaurant, and the wonton soup and egg roll, the usual. And I said, boy, this is good. And she said, you know what's in it? I said, no, but it's good. She says, it's pork. I said, it's what? I wouldn't finish the rest of it. I've learned. I'm pretty good with yeah, I think the dietary laws in Judaism are one of the cultural aspects that are going to fall off the... I think what will stick is not what you can eat. That will go away. You'll be able to eat anything. But what will stick will be the stuff that is truly Jewish. 100 years from now, if you have somebody sitting in the seat and interviewing and ask them what their food is, they'll still say matzah brai. They'll still say chopped liver. They'll still say corned beef, pastrami. These things will never die, and they'll always be Jewish. And it's a cultural thing. But not eating ham, not eating bacon, it's not worth fighting at anymore. Even in Israel, I found I could buy. So.